Hello guys! Gagawa po tayo ng avocado ice cream. Chamba-chamba. Siyempre, dapat meron tayong avocado and Nestle cream and gatas. Yun lang po. Tipid. You what? Say hi to your friends.
But I'm eating.
It's okay. And then we're going to put a
The milk. Ow, ow, ow.
put the milk. Isa lang muna ilalagay natin guys kasi baka sobrang tamis. Say hi! And then we will put the hungry na naman. Guys, hungry na naman po siya. And then we will put the avocado. We will put the
avocado. I'll use my blaster. Zoom, zoom.
what's that?
Blaster.
Tapos na nga tayo guys. Bale, 3 avocado, isang gatas ang nagamit ko kasi masyado nang matamis. Tsaka isang Nestle cream lang.